Hi, Bubba and Granddad. This is my diorama, and it's about giraffes.
Okay. Want to read your little story to them?
Yes. Elise's Animal Report. And table of contents. What has horns and great eyesight, a long neck to reach tall leaves, and strong legs to hold the animal?
A rhinoceros?
No.
Hippo?
No.
Monkey?
No.
What is it?
My animal is a giraffe.
Very good drawing of a giraffe. Keep reading.
Giraffes and their ancestors once lived in many parts of Africa, Europe, and Asia. Today, giraffes live only in some parts of Africa. They spend most of their time on open grass plains or in areas with a few trees. In these places, it is easy for a giraffe to see an enemy and have time to escape.
All right. What's next?
Description. Females or cows are 14 feet tall. Males or bulls are up to 17 feet tall. A giraffe's body is covered by a layer of fur that is almost an inch thick. Young giraffe spots darkens as they get older. Spot patterns range from irregular to reticulated.
Very good.
Irregular spots look jagged, and the cream-colored lines between them are wide. Its spots are smooth-edged, and the lines between them are thin. Giraffes from the same area of Africa, however, have similar spot patterns.
Very good.
Characteristics. Good eyesight. The giraffe's neck is over 6 feet long to help them reach in tall trees. Giraffes have excellent eyesight. Run fast. The front legs and shoulders are very strong and help the giraffe run quickly.
Quickly, that's fine. Good job. What's this one?
What they eat. Giraffes are herbivores or plant eaters, but sometimes they chew on bones to get minerals. Giraffes spend most of their time browsing or nibbling on leaves and twigs.
Very nice. Good drawing, too.
Enemies. Giraffes are always watching for predators such as lions, hyenas, and wild dogs. Adult giraffes can usually see and avoid enemies before they get close enough to strike, but predators often kill cows. Interesting facts. Giraffes are the tallest mammal in the world. No two giraffes have identical spots on their coat. The giraffe's tongue is 12 inches long. Giraffes can lick its own ears and nose. The tail can be more than 6 feet long. The hair at the end of the tail helps swish away insects.
Good. Is that the end?
Yeah.
That's the end? Let's take one more peek at the beautiful diorama you made. So nice how you
Hi.
painted it.
Bye, Bubba and Janet. I love you. I hope I can visit you soon. I love you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Love you guys.
Bye.